What's up, guys? I don't even know what to say anymore. I know I have not been here for a while, but honestly I've been working so much stuff that soon you guys are gonna find out more. And unfortunately, because of those projects, I had to take a little bit of time off. Not just for that though, like also I was a little burnt out, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, and I'm definitely gonna do a video talking about what happens when you are burnt out, when you know, like you just have a mental block, because we all go through it, and I feel people don't talk about it, but it happens to all of us. So with that being said, I'm very happy to be here, and today's video is gonna be a tutorial. But the truth is that I posted a video, actually I posted a picture on Instagram, and for all of you that are not following me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna leave my handle right here in the description. And when I posted the picture, I received a ton of messages from people asking me like, dude, can you do a video because those haircuts are becoming so popular? And I didn't know mullets were that popular, but I guess they are now. I'm trying to think about it. So for example, you know when like somebody tells you like, oh, I'm gonna buy this car, and then you see the car everywhere? That's kind of what happened now. Like as soon as I posted it and people mention it, I started seeing mullets everywhere. So today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to fade a mullet, like a skin mullet, into like a texture top. And the back is not as long because the client, it was just letting it grow at that time. Now it's longer. This video is a little old, to be honest with you guys, but yeah, that's gonna be today's video. So I'm happy to be back, and let's go ahead and start.